back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently on a trip to America, I stayed at the Godfrey Hotel, which is in the heart of Hollywood and just a short walk from the Hollywood Walk of Fame. When we arrived to the hotel, we were greeted by the friendly staff and checked in very quickly. The foyer was large, bright, and felt welcoming, and I noticed a restaurant on site. We stayed in a king room that cost $358 Australian dollars per night. Upon first impression, the room was bright and modern. There was a coffee station with tea and coffee, water, and an ice bucket. There was a small bar fridge with additional water that could be purchased. There was a large bed in the center of the room, taking up most of the space. There was plugs and a USB port on each side of the bed, plus a small desk with complimentary eye mask and earplugs, which was a great touch. Under the bed there was a safe and some extra storage. The room had a large window where you could see the Hollywood sign in the distance. There was also a TV facing the bed. The bathroom felt very modern and clean with a large waterfall shower head. There were additional toiletries throughout and a hairdryer. I have to say, although the room was quite small, it was very beautifully designed and had lots of light. Now it's time to explore the rest of the hotel. They had a beautiful rooftop with a bar and a pool. On the ground floor, we also found a large gym with good quality equipment. Now it's time for us to head off to our next destination. We really enjoyed our stay here. The hotel was very thoughtfully designed, it felt clean and modern, and most importantly, it was very central. We hope you enjoyed watching, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.